Hello everybody, I'm Hubert Hohler, the former head chef from Buchinger Wilhelmi at Lake Constance. And I want to talk to you about the 5 points for perfect fasting. The first point for me is to prepare yourself physically and mentally. I think it's very important, as fasting is always a very exciting thing for me. Even I did it more than 30 times now, and it's very important to be in the mode of the fasting, and to be in a good health before, so you can enjoy your fasting real good. The next point is to make exercises. I think that's also a very important point for me, as I'm a person who loves to move, who needs to be active, and it brings your energy up. Even when you feel tired, when you think, okay, no, today I rather stay in bed, if you just get up and try, after a few minutes, it runs and you feel much, much better. Then the nature is a very important thing for me, to take the time to go into the nature, listen to birds or what's around, and just not do the same thing like you do every day when you are eating, when you are in your normal life, as it's a special time, the fasting, and so contact to nature is very, very important. Then hopefully you are not overloaded from work. I think if you have to work during fasting, it's okay, but you should take your time for yourself. As you are more in you during that time, you need that much input from outside, as you have nothing to eat, so you live from your own. And also mentally, it's very, very important to have time for you, and perhaps some things which you don't realize usually, which you don't care about, you see, you feel, and you have to work with it and do it. And I think it's a great thing. Normally I tell always, in the entire life, you are like swimming in the soup. Try to keep your head up. And that's life. And during fasting, I feel sometimes standing on a hill, looking around everything, and it touches you not that close to you. And problems which you have normally are not that close to you. It's not that you have afterwards no problems anymore, but you have another point of view to the things. So the time is for me a very, very important thing. Then you have to learn to enjoy even the abstinence. Fasting is abstinence. And I think one part of the pleasure, or the opposite, and we need the opposite, is the abstinence. And the fasting soup, if you celebrate it, you can enjoy the fasting soups and just try to taste the things which are in. Even a skimmed yogurt has that much of taste, gives that much of pleasure in your mouth. And the fasting soups, they are really with the good basic stuff in it, and they have a nice taste. Perhaps if you have the beetroot soup with some horseradish in it, if you have the asparagus soup with a little bit of estragon. And so try to realize that, and this is also an idea for later, to enjoy the healthy food later. These were my 5 points for perfect fasting. I hope you like the video. Please follow our channel. Hope to see you soon, and goodbye.